Attorney Delgra, welcome back to the Netherlands. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good that I'm back as near as I can get to PRRD, to our Tatay Digong. So still monitoring the situation, not only back home but also here.
Attorney Delgra, how do you feel right now with the weather, current weather, coming from the warm weather from the Philippines?
It's a little bit uncomfortable, but it's manageable. Unlike the one we had before, even the month of April when I was here. So I think that time it was colder than this time. 9 degrees is manageable.
How many times are you already here in the
Twice
Netherlands?
already.
Twice. This is your twice.
The second time.
The second time.
And the only reason is because of
the former
Tatay
president.
Digong.
Attorney Delgra, what's the difference between your first time and your second time visiting the former president?
Actually, the first time was a little bit of mixed emotion because I didn't know what to expect, and it was emotional trip for me. Now I've a little bit settled down, and especially what happened to the decision to deny him interim release, and that's actually the reason why I made the decision to come. And hopefully I'll be able to talk to you guys and at least get as close as I can.
Piggybacking on that statement, sir, what's your opinion or your reaction when the appeals chamber rendered the decision rejecting the motion submitted by the defense team?
Obviously, I was frustrated, I was dismayed, but I have to respect the judge's decision. They may not have appreciated the grounds for which the legal team of Mayor Rudy was able to raise before the appeals chamber. But nevertheless, well, among other things, if I may, there was a reason about his influence. And if I have to say this in a cultural sense, perhaps, among Filipinos, no? Tayo mga Pilipino kasi, we're very close. It's family-oriented, community-oriented. And if we feel that we need to protect and support somebody, we're there to protect and support somebody. And in the case of PRRD, hindi lang po daan-daan, libo-libo, if I may say, millions perhaps supports him. Not just in the Philippines, but all across the world. And I hope that would not be taken against him.
Yes.
Because it is not his own action. It's a collective action of Filipinos and non-Filipinos for that matter who fully support him and the actions that he have taken while he was still in office.
Exactly, sir.
That's precisely why if you would equate that overwhelming support to his influence, I have to say that don't take it against him. Because that's how we are, Filipinos. Very supportive and loving, even until now.
Yes, exactly, sir. Sir, what do you have to say to the detractors of the former president rejoicing in what seemed to be a decision unfavorable to the defense?
I would have to respect what their feelings are, no? But although I disagree, because you know, as it is, you don't take issue with feelings or sentiments, because that is how they feel. In the same way that they will have to respect also the decisions of more Filipinos who were frustrated, dismayed, and perhaps sad for what happened. A frail 80-year-old who's not used to the weather, who's not used to being alone. And he should be tried in the Philippines, if I have to say this.
Attorney Delgra, as a lawyer yourself, what is your message to those individuals or perhaps groups who are trying to paint the defense team in negative light with respect to the work they have done to the former president, representing him in the best of their abilities?
I like to believe that the defense team of PRRD, headed by Attorney Nick Kaufman, is doing their best. In defense of PRRD, is doing their best on the issues that have already been raised, on the matter of jurisdiction, on the matter of temporary liberty, and as what we call interim release. And hopefully we'll be able to continue to support the legal team on this regard.
Attorney, just to conclude, what is your message to our to the Filipinos, millions who are still, up until now, we're reaching 9 months of the continued incarceration of the former president inside the ICC detention facility, who still would like to believe that there's still hope for him to be brought back to the Philippines.
There's still hope to be brought back, for him to be brought back to the Philippines, alive and well.
Thank you, Attorney.
And please continue to support and pray for him every day, if we may. My family and I are actually praying for him every day. So hopefully everyone else who truly support him, who truly believe in the work that he did, if I may, I have seen him up close and from a distance. Hindi po para sa kanya yung ginawa niya, para po sa bayan, para po sa inyo rito, especially the OFWs here present and all across the world. Pabalik-balik niya yan sinasabi. You have heard him so many times already how we have loved the overseas Filipino worker. To keep your families at home in the Philippines safe and comfortable.
Do you have any more information or any message that you can share about Duterte when you were together, former president, when you were together with him?
Kung ano yung makikita nyo sa labas, ano? Ganon yan siya sa loob. If I may, kasi siguro, segue lang ako ng konti, no? He has been accused of corruption.
Yes.
For one thing. And when I was appointed as head of the LTFRB, the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, I can clearly and distinctly remember what he said. Kurap yung ahensya mo, bay. So I know then what I was supposed to do.
Yes,
to clean the agency. And if I have to say this, may mga natanggal din tayo ng mga tao, quite a lot, but not a call did I got from him. Not from him directly, not from then executive secretary or anyone on his behalf to go slow, especially doon sa natamaan nating mga kaalyado, so long as to address corruption in the agency. So I can speak for the agency that I worked before, and I like to believe that the instruction that he has given me, wala naman akong natanggap na tawag in the 6 years that I was there. So, yun po ang masabi ko insofar as yung trabaho ko sa gobyerno is concerned.
Thank you,
Attorney. Sa mga opo, I can he has its own weaknesses, as we all are, as we all have, but definitely addressing corruption corruption is not one of his weaknesses. Addressing it is one of his strengths, actually.
Thank you, Attorney.
You mean corruption is not in his list?
Yes.
Thank you very much for your message.
Mabuhay ka, Attorney. Welcome back again.
Attorney.
Thank you.